A teacher's coming out. 2 more are coming after him. They testify to each other and they come out. What are they saying? They speak in the name of Islam. They write articles in newspapers and magazines that Muslims buy and read the most. And what fatwa are they giving? They say that if a person is a Muslim, he must believe in 6 conditions. But if a person is a Jew or a Christian, he does not have to believe in 6 conditions. They say that only if he believes in Allah and believes in the hereafter, his faith is enough and he will enter paradise. What are they doing? They are worse than the Mu'tazila, God forbid. Mu'tazila has a fallacy of its own. The one who commits a big sin is out of the religion, but he is not a Jawar because he does not disbelieve. What will happen? Let's call them neither believers nor unbelievers. Let's leave this in the middle and let them suffer. Now they will say that in the hereafter there will be a place in the middle between heaven and hell. These are neither worthy of heaven nor worthy of hell. They will call it a rudderless boat in the middle. This is their fallacy. But now these theologians, the so-called professors, writers, illustrators, people who engage Muslims, people who publish newspapers and books from Muslims who hold this view are like the Mu'tazilites. They say that the Mu'tazilites come to this conclusion about the great sin, that is, about deeds. They fall into a great theological mistake. But they prove division in the matter of faith. He reduces the 6 to 2 in terms of belief, in terms of things to believe. He says that belief in Allah and the hereafter is enough. If belief in Allah and the hereafter is enough, then is the Quran the word of Allah? It is the word. What is he who does not believe in it? He is an infidel. I believe in you. I don't believe in what you say. Is that the way to believe in Allah? I believe in you. I don't believe in the prophet you sent. Is it possible to believe in Allah like that? If you believe in the word of Allah, what does the Quran say to you? It says that those who follow 3 gods are infidels. The Jews say that Uzayr is the son of Allah. Christians say that Jesus is the son of Allah. They are polytheists because they attribute a son to me. Allah commands. They are infidels. Our Lord curses and damns them so that Allah may damn and curse them. And he declares that they are infidels. In the verse of Surah Al-Bayan, the Ahl al-Bayt declares that these infidels will remain in hell for eternity and will never come out. We find evidence for the correctness of our case in hundreds of verses in this regard.